Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a taste of Mexico, taco casserole. This very easy to make low-carb casserole is full of flavor and not only makes a fantastic meal for Taco Tuesday, but is also great for meal prep Sundays. Let's get started. For our taco seasoning, mix together some chili powder, cumin, salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some cayenne pepper. Give a mix until well blended. Split this seasoning in half and set it aside. To a skillet on medium-high heat, add 16 ounces of ground beef. Break it up into smaller pieces as it cooks. Drain the liquid and return to the heat. Drain one 10-ounce can of original Rotel and add it to the beef. Add some minced garlic, some chopped green onions, and half of our taco seasoning. Stir and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from the heat and set aside. Add 4 large eggs to a mixing bowl. Add the remainder of our taco seasoning and give a little mix to break up the eggs. Pour in some heavy cream, a little sour cream, and give a mix until everything is well blended. Now add 4 ounces of grated Monterey Jack cheese and give another mix. Add the beef mixture to an 8x8 or 9x7 inch baking dish. Pour in our egg and cream mixture and mix thoroughly until combined. Add another 4 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese over the top. Top with some sliced black olives and some sliced pickled jalapenos. Place in the center of a preheated 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Remove and let set for about 10 minutes. Serve garnished with some green onions and sour cream, and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my taco casserole recipe. A full-flavored meal anytime you're craving Mexican food for dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.